Welcome back to another Midjourney V6 Best Styles journey. Here I am introducing 7 spectacular styles that you can pick and try by appending them to your prompts. Jump over to the Midjourney and begin with Unsplash. This style, known for its high-quality, free imagery, influences prompts to produce photographs with a distinctive, high-quality, and slightly moody aesthetic. Whether it's capturing the nuanced lighting on a beautiful blonde girl's face, or the detailed composition of a futuristic car, or even the Cybertruck in overcast weather, the Unsplash style imbues images with realism and depth that stand out. Moving on to naive art, this style imbues your images with a charming, simplistic look. The woman's face becomes an artistic, old-fashioned representation, while Iron Man is transformed into a simplified, old painting-like figure. The magical waterfall in nature turns into a detailed, simple shape with great composition. The modern city in naive art added personality, with simple shapes and rich detail. Especially this 4th image is an incredible draw with perfection. Stay with us as there is a lot to watch. If you are enjoying this style guide, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It will help me to grow to a larger audience. Infrared style acts like a light spectral spectrum. This style imparts a distinctive red tone to images, creating an effect somewhat akin to inverted colors. The woman's face, for example, features infused skin and a gray hat, providing a starkly different look. It's a fascinating light spectrum application by Midjourney. Transitioning to the Cybertruck, the style manifests in pink tone reflections and a gray two-tail sky, giving off a photographic duotone vibe. The texture of the sand and Cybertruck appears subtle, altered, adding depth to the image. With the Batman vs Superman, the steely renders him in a stark black and white amidst overcast pink or peach surroundings, an intriguing contrast. Their costumes are fairly detailed. The drain textures make this art astonishing. It seems like blending elements of his fictional and real personas. Glam punk is another distinct style, known for its tendency to feminize characters while adding a unique glam touch. Superman, for instance, transforms into a female figure in glam punk style, amazingly transforming Superman's character. Superman appears as a man, but his posture undergoes a striking change in personality and visual identity. Thor, a typically male, retains its male features but becomes a female transformer, with subtle glam punk elements. The graphic interface, though seemingly plain at first glance, takes on a new dimension when applied to characters. Take the beautiful girl's face, for instance. This style contours her face with a graphic interface, creating a unique and appealing effect. Especially this second images create a spectacular captivation. The Incredible Hulk under this style gets a digital backdrop, infusing the character with dynamic digital elements. In the close shot, focusing on his face particularly depicts the character's profiling shot of a sci-fi movie. A castle incorporates graphical elements that enhancing the object's appearance. Musclecore is a fun one. When you apply it to characters in Midjourney, the results are astonishing. Take a look at this Ninetales fox anime character. She's transformed into a muscular, almost raging version of herself. Woman under this style turns into a modern-day fitness influencer boasting a gym-toned physique. Doctor Strange, on the other hand, with a muscular body, adds a striking twist to its personality that is entirely opposite what it is actually. Sometimes feels like AI is a blessing that converts results within seconds. Lastly, Neo-Ink Impressionism, an artistic blend of Japanese ink style with high-level splatter. The results are striking. The woman's face and fox are adorned with dramatic ink splashes. Moreover, a strong palette knife effect makes it worth the painting style. Superman features a painterly style with ink splats reminiscent of alcohol ink dreams, but with distinct color variations. The Cybertruck, though slightly different in effect, still captures the artistic impact impressively.